Hey, this is Carrie. Thanks for taking the time to watch this short video. Today I want to talk about one reason why I do yoga. Although there are lots of reasons, today I'm just going to talk about one. One of the reasons why I love to do yoga is that it helps me manage discomfort in my life. And I'm talking about discomfort in all sectors of life. Sometimes I become uncomfortable when I'm waiting in line too long at the grocery store. Or sometimes I become uncomfortable when I have to wait in traffic for way longer than I had expected. All throughout the world, I find myself in states of discomfort based on factors that I cannot control happening in the world. This happens to me all the time. Maybe you can identify with that. My yoga practice helps me stay present in the moment so that when I'm experiencing discomfort, whether it's something happening in the world that I can't control, or even physical discomfort in my body, let's say an injury, or if I'm in pain, or even having a headache, my yoga practice has helped me cultivate tools and skills that keep me present in the moment. These skills might include breath, setting a focused gaze, and being able to stay physically present to what's happening in my surroundings. This is one reason why I love having a yoga practice, because it keeps me present to the world as it is, rather than freaking out and having an emotional reaction, which happens too, but sometimes having that yoga practice can really help anchor me in the present moment. I hope you found this video useful. I've got many more tips and tricks about why I do yoga and different ways that you can incorporate yoga into your life. Please subscribe to my channel, and you can even go into the description below in this video and sign up to take a free class with me. I would love to meet you on the mat and teach you ways that you can also manage discomfort in your life using yoga. Thanks for watching.